I'm about to have that with some coconut water. Right here. Check it out. Only at Moshas Reggae Lounge in Sosua, Dominican Republic.
There you go.
Your boy P Money Escapades. Like and follow my channel.
So this is P Money Escapades. Okay, now I'm gonna record him tasting the fish. P Money, taste the fish. This is Mosha coming to you from Mosha's Reggae Lounge. This is P Money from, what is it called? P Money
Escapades.
Okay, P Money flew all the way. He flew all the way down here just to see me,
yeah,
because he saw me on this other vlogger about talking about health. So he's tasting the fish right now.
Perfect.
You see that?
Little spice. Oh yeah. Natural alkaline food right here.
Yeah. So this is what I do when people buy my food. I let them taste it in front of you. Look. Well, you're gonna get steamed fish like this. Look at that.
Yeah, very hard. They don't cook like this around here in this country like that. So
okay, so
you could only find this at Moshas Reggae Lounge.
There you go. So he's telling you straight up. I'll let him tell you. And you get some rice and peas. Yep. It's steamed down with peppers and all kinds of shit. ¿Tú quieres probar, amigo? ¿Tú quieres probar? Sí, sí, sí. Mi amor, una plato de plástica, por favor. Él quiere pruébala esa. Sí, sí. Okay. And he's going to try the fish. He's Dominican, and I know he's going to love it. Look at him. Before he didn't want, check this out. He didn't want nothing. And I told him, I said, watch when the fish come out. You're going to want to try. So he's going to try the fish. And once again, P Money. Yes, P Money Escapade from New Jersey.
Check me out, man.
We
flew all the way in DR with it.
He flew all the way down here just to see me. We're going to talk about some health stuff because he saw me on the channel. Now, give him a fork, give him this. Toma, you give it. And we're going to wait till he tried too.
Fact.
Coge salsa. I know he's going to like this.
This fish is official, guys, I'm telling you. You know what I mean? I don't eat meat. So I'm a pescatarian, so that's all I eat is
fish.
You know, so like it's a blessing to come all the way out here for the reggae.
You ain't gonna find this here on this island. I'm not even bragging, but you ain't gonna find this type of stuff.
That's a fact.
Okay, mi hermano, pruébala. Okay. Dime a ver.
Bueno.
He says good.
Bien bueno.
He said very good. Dime en español.
Muy bueno,
muy rico. Muy rico. He says very rich.
Check this out. This is my driver.
He's a driver for my boy.
Check him out.
¿Cuál es su nombre?
Carmelito.
Carmelito. Es manejar gente. See, you need somebody to drive you. You check me, and I'll get Manejito to pick you up. Aeropuerto también.
Sí, sí.
He look for you in the airport. If you got a problem, Santiago, wherever you want to go, you call us. Santiago, Santo Domingo, Punta Cana, wherever you want to go.
He done took me everywhere.
You call us, and we'll get you there. 829-858-6971. That's my phone number. You're up here in the Moshas Reggae Lounge. New spot, new location. Check this out. Paola, mi amor, ven acá. I got some guys on the beach talking a lot of crap about my food. And when the customers come to the beach, they telling the customer they invented jerk chicken and we stole it. Ven acá, mami. This is Paola. Come on, man. Come on. This is Paola. She don't wanna show. Mi amor, por favor. Por favor.
¿El qué?
Yo quiero estoy en el video. Con esa comida. Okay, she don't wanna. My assistant, she don't wanna be in the video. She don't wanna be in the video. All right, we ain't gonna. All right, so look, they telling people on the beach a lot of crap about me. But anyway, come try my food, guys. Peace out.
Don't listen to what you hear. Everybody's food.